The clock by the bed is ticking, too loud in the quiet night. I lie in the darkness thinking I must go before it's light. Before you lock your eyes and you beg me to stay, I'll leave, 'cause I can't stand to see your heart this way. But leave my love as I kiss you goodbye. Then I won't hear the sound of your cry. Though I knew the time was coming and our love would end somehow, I just could bear to tell you exactly just when or how. I know we can go on, that it was wrong to start, but if you wake up crying now, you know you'll break my heart. I'll sleep, my love, as I kiss you goodbye. Then I won't hear the sound of your cry. Oh, sleep, my love, as I kiss you goodbye.